So firstly, we're just going to have a look at some of the fields that exist around the page, and then we'll start looking at querying. So to begin with, on the left-hand side, you can see that we have views, which allow you to save different queries, different columns, different customizations in the UI so that people can share them. You can have the logs in the archive mode. We'll get into that in a moment. That enables querying against your logs or querying against your long-term archive. Then we have filters. So we have this hidden one here, which is teams. This enables you to issue queries against multiple teams if you're a member of multiple different teams. Then you have the application filter and the subsystem filter. Application and subsystem are tags that we add to every single value. So whether it's logs, metrics, or traces, every single one has application or subsystem. And finally, severity. Severity is something that's very, very common amongst sort of all logging values. So these are sort of three default ones you get. We'll talk about adding custom filters in a moment. Then across the top here, you can see the metrics graph. The metrics graph enables you to render metrics alongside your logs, and this allows you to correlate all of your data together. Finally, up the top right here, you can see the date range. So this is very common amongst most logging solutions, and this allows you to query along well-known and well-understood date formats, so you can pull your logs from different ranges. However, in Coralogix, you can also query on tags. Now, tags are events that have happened in the past that somebody has deemed important, and they've created a Coralogix tag for it. And this can be anything from a software release, as you can see different versions here, all the way to an event on your website, for example, a sale, anything. So that's just a really nice little feature that means that rather than trying to work out when a release happened, you just jump straight to the tag and use that.